911.
I'm at 33265 BP, Schoolcraft. I am an Uber driver. I don't know. I think something's going on with the passenger in my car. I don't know. I think he got a gun on him. I don't know if another guy was following us. I just got a bad feeling about this
Okay.
this time.
What's going on?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he got a gun or not. He just make me feel uncomfortable. The car was following us. Yeah, and he been looking strange and he acting strange. He didn't know the address where we was going.
Where you from?
I'm one of my friends.
Yeah, dude. I mean, like I said, I'm just the one here telling you what's going on.
I was so scared of. I wasn't doing shit. Hey, I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm just saying. I just saw something.
Straight we got one running eastbound. There he is. Right there, right into the bushes. Running south. Ready up, I got him here. In the back, the industrial. Turn around.
Okay, you
Turn
got
on.
this subject on industrial.
Pretend behind your back. Ready, go secure.
Secure 2034.
I used an industrial in my car.
Can you take a minute?
I seen industrial in my car. Well, I'm on that shit. All I knew is
I told him, well, he was gonna rob me. That's what I'm saying. He was gonna rob me. I'm glad y'all came, man. I really appreciate y'all, bro. I really appreciate y'all.
When we